Hello everyone. Today we'll be making jackfruit seed sambar. To start, take about 25 dried jackfruit seeds. Most of these shells get cracks as they dry and quite a few others don't. You can easily remove these cracked shells. For the ones that are not cracked, bang them a few times until the shells crack. Similarly, deshell all the seeds and pressure cook for 4 whistles. To a pan, add quarter cup of cooked tuar dal. Add in the cooked jackfruit seeds, 2 tablespoons sambar powder, a little bit of jaggery, tamarind water as required, and salt. Give this a good stir and add water. Here I have used the water drained from the cooked dal. Mix well and cook covered and bring to a boil. Stir well once more and take off heat. Next, heat a tadka pan and add 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 red chilies broken, a few curry leaves. Add this tadka to the sambar and mix. Jackfruit seed sambar is ready to be enjoyed with hot rice. Please do try our recipes and leave us a comment.